In a historic moment of celebration and pride, His Majesty King Felipe VI of Spain, accompanied by Queen Letizia and their daughters, Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofia, warmly welcomed the victorious Spanish national football team at the Royal Palace. The team, having recently clinched the UEFA EURO 2024 title, was honoured for their outstanding performance and dedication. The royal family expressed their admiration and gratitude to the players and coaching staff for their hard work and commitment, which not only brought glory to the nation, but also inspired countless fans. King Felipe VI personally congratulated the team captain, acknowledging the effort and teamwork that led to this remarkable achievement. The event was marked by an atmosphere of joy and unity, as the royal family engaged in conversations with the players, sharing their own enthusiasm for the sport. Queen Letizia highlighted the positive impact of the team's success on Spanish society, emphasizing the values of perseverance, teamwork, and sportsmanship that the players embodied. Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofia, known for their love of sports, were particularly excited to meet the players and express their admiration for the team's accomplishments. The young princesses also posed for photographs with the team, capturing a memorable moment that will be cherished by the nation. This meeting underscored the royal family's support for Spanish sports and their recognition of the role it plays in promoting unity and national pride. The king's words of encouragement and appreciation resonated with the players, who felt honoured to be acknowledged by the country's highest figures. The visit concluded with a group photo, symbolising the unity and strength of Spain, both on and off the field. As the nation celebrates this historic victory, the royal family's engagement serves as a reminder of the deep connection between the monarchy and the people, united in their passion for football and the shared joy of this monumental achievement.